Good morning. Good morning, all the students who are watching this video. My name is Gaurav Kumar. I teach English. Today, I will discuss lesson 1 of class 5. The name of the lesson, The Boy Who Drew Cats. This is a Japanese folk tale adapted from Japanese folk tale. In this lesson, we will read about a boy whose name was Toya, who loved drawing. But before starting this lesson, I want to discuss two paintings, the Starry Night and Mona Lisa. These two paintings were given in your book. You can see in lesson 1, page number 11. The Starry Night. The Starry Night, painted by Vincent William van Gogh. Vincent William van Gogh. He was a Dutch painter. He was popularly known as Van Gogh. He was born on 13th March 1853 in Netherlands and was died on 29th July 1890 in France. He was post-impressionist painter and he created 2100 artworks including 890 oil paintings. The Starry Night is an oil on canvas painted by Van Gogh in June 1889. The Starry Night describes the view from the east-facing window of his room just before sunrise with the addition of his ideal village. But Vincent William van Gogh, his death wasn't natural. He was committed suicide at the age of 37 in 1890 due to his mental illness, depression and poverty. Another painting, Mona Lisa, painted by Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci was an Italian painter or artist. Leonardo was born on 15th April 1452 in Italy and was died on 2nd May 1519 in France. His important works are Mona Lisa, The Last Supper, Virgin of the Rocks, etc. The Mona Lisa is a half-length portrait painted by Leonardo. The Mona Lisa is one of the most valuable paintings in the world. So, you saw two paintings here, the Starry Night painted by Vincent William van Gogh and Mona Lisa painted by Leonardo da Vinci. Like this, there are different paintings in the world. There are many paintings are situated in different museums across the world and painted by many different artists or painters. Now, we will start this lesson. I have already said this lesson is a folk story of Japan. In this lesson, we will talk about a boy whose name was Toya. Toya loved to draw, but he was very different children. He loved to draw cats only, nothing else. He drew cats over and over again. He was belonging from a farmer family. His parents were farmer. Their occupation was farming. They were lived in a small village in Japan. Like other students, Toya went to school, did his homework, also helped in farm or in domestic work, but in leisure time he loved to draw only. But he didn't draw fish, trees, or other things. He drew cats only again and again. Their parents were very worried about his future, what he will become in future, how will he earn money in future. Therefore, his parents decided to send him in a village temple where a lots of students were living and learning writing, reading, and different values of life. So one day, Toya's father took him in village temple and requested to head priest to help him. Head priest told his father, "You don't worry about him, we will take care of him." So on that day, Toya lived in a village temple along with other students. Other students worked hard to learn writing, reading, and values of life, but Toya all the time found drawing only, nothing else, only cats. Only cats, nothing else, no other drawings. So one day the head priest told the boy, "You don't want to learn write, therefore you should go home and think what do you want to do, what do you want to become in your life." Now that night was the last night in village temple for Toya. Next day he will have to go at his home. Therefore that night he drew a very big and most beautiful cat on a paper and go to sleep. But that night when all were sleeping, a demon rat crept into the village temple. The rat was well known for his bad things. He was very bad creature. He crept inside the village temple, and the rat was known the place where grains are stored. So the rat went there and gobbled grains hurriedly. But suddenly a strange things happened. The cat that was drawn by Toya on the paper, he came out from the paper and went towards the rat and scared away the rat from the temple. He saved grains, the only grains that was stored there for students and for the priest. The priest saw the strange things. The cat came out from the piece, went towards the rat, scared away the rat, and again walked back into the piece like he never came out. So, after seeing this incident, next day The priest accompanied with Toya and went to his home and told his parents he was a great artist. Let him draw. He don't know what changes in his paintings, but he was a great painter, and without thinking this clue and without thinking this, he again and again painting different cats, and he will become a great artist. So let him draw and guide him. Like this, after saying this word, his parents allowed him to draw, and in future when he grew up, he became a very famous painter and earned a lot of name, fame. So students, in this lesson, what did you learn? What was the moral of this lesson? Every student have some hidden talent, some hidden quality, but you don't identify your quality. You don't identify your talent. Need to identify your talent. What talent hidden in yourself, and labor in that direction. Fix your target to achieve that target. In this way, you will become a good personality, a famous personality like Toya. Someone has writing talent, someone has painting talent, someone sings well. So all the students have different quality, different talent, hidden talent. You need to identify that talent and fix your target and work hard to achieve. So now the lesson is finished, and I hope you will understand the complete concept of this lesson about the Toya, his drawing, and about his journey in village temple. So, after reading this lesson, first you should read this lesson again and again and try to find out the difficult words, underline them, write in your notebook, help from dictionary, find out the meaning, write them in your notebook, learn them, then try to solve the given questions. If you found any problem to solve your questions, if you will find any doubt and any problem, you can contact me, you can call me 24/7. My number is 8676958456. You can contact me, and now this class is over, and wishing you all good health. Stay home, stay safe. Definitely we will fight COVID-19, we will defeat COVID-19.